Hello and welcome to this course. First of all, I want to thank you so much for choosing this course to learn about web design. I am really glad that you're here with me today. In this course, I will show you super practical guidelines and rules for amazing web design. You will learn how to make text look professionally designed, how to correctly use the power of colors. I will show you where to get and use amazing images, fonts, and icons to make your website shine, all for free. How to create a layout using whitespace and visual hierarchy. And also how to keep yourself inspired to learn more and more about web design. All of this will make sure that your website stands out from the crowd. And you will actually be able to learn all of this in less than 1 hour. In this course, I'm going to show you a lot of images of websites, so please watch all the lectures in HD quality if you can, to make sure that you don't miss a thing. And also, to get the most out of this course, please don't skip any lectures, because all details matter to achieve a stunning web design. And another thing is that you should ask all the questions you might have here in the course forums. Just add a new discussion whenever you have some question or feel like sharing something with the community. So now a little background about me. I am Jonas and I am your instructor in this course. I started to learn web design and web development about 8 years ago. I went through many books and literally thousands of online articles and tutorials to learn all about web design and development. I was always super curious to learn more and more, absorbing everything I could. So today I want to share some of this knowledge with you in this course. And I want you to feel absolutely free to contact me and ask me anything you want. You can reach me on Facebook, Twitter, email, and of course in the forums of this course. So that's enough talk for now. Let's go straight to the next lecture to start learning about web design.